Hello, I saw your question in the email about how to get chi-squared, maybe p. And so, given a null and alternative hypothesis, where it's a left-tailed test, and this is for standard deviation. The sample size is 21 from a population that's known to be normal. And so the sample standard deviation is 1.8. Compute test statistic or chi-squared. So you can do this by hand with the formulas, or you can use technology. I have StatCrunch over here. If you come to stat, now there's not a standard deviation here, but there is a variance stat you can do. So you go to variance stats, one summary, one sample with summary. Okay, and so you just input this information and it'll apply the formula for you. So the sample variance is what it asks for, and we're not given the sample variance, we're given the standard deviation. Well, we know variance is just standard deviation squared, so you need to square 1.8. So you put 1.8. You could put in your calculator your squared, or you just put ℏ2, and StatCrunch will square this number for you, or you could do it on calculator and input it here. The sample size is 21, so we put a 21 in here. It's a left-tailed test, so we need to select that. And this, again, this is standard deviation, and we're talking about variance here, standard deviation squared. So we need to go 1.4 squared. So you could type that in your calculator, put that number, or you can just put it this way, and StatCrunch will square it for you. You just click compute and it does all the calculations. Here's chi-squared, which is what you're looking for here, around the 3 places. So it'd be 33.061. It also gives the p-value. I know sometimes they ask for that. Hope this helps.